Join us on our guided tour as we delve into the complexities of the Hamilton Wellbeing Survey dashboard, where we will explore its intricate details. The primary objective of this dashboard is to provide a visual representation of people's perceptions across various aspects associated with their quality of life. Presented by Data and Dashboards, this dashboard summarizes the key highlights from the Hamilton Wellbeing Survey conducted in the Hamilton region. The Hamilton Wellbeing Survey dashboards are divided into 7 main themes. Join us in the exploration of these themes. The Hamilton Wellbeing Survey dashboard offers an interactive and visually appealing presentation of survey data, empowering users to dynamically delve into and comprehend the survey findings. The survey yields valuable data for councils to integrate into their monitoring initiatives, while also enhancing public awareness and research pertaining to quality of life matters in New Zealand. The Demographics Hamilton Wellbeing Survey dashboard presents visual representations of the demographic characteristics of Hamilton's population. It includes bar graphs illustrating categories related to iwi and hapu affiliations, as well as visualizations depicting household situations and the number of individuals residing in each household. The dashboard displays a graph illustrating the age distribution within the rainbow community. The dashboard is equipped with customizable filters for your convenience. To explore the available options, simply click on the drop-down menu in the filters. Let's go ahead and select East Area 2 and East Area 3 to observe the changes that occur upon applying a specific filter. Selecting a different option from the filters, such as East Area 2 and East Area 3, will update the dashboard statistics to show data specific to that district. Feel free to interact with the interactive donut chart for total respondents and gender. This chart provides a visual representation of both the number of respondents and the percentage breakdown between male and female respondents. By selecting the female gender, the dashboard statistics are updated to reflect the chosen preference. Typically, maps on our dashboard come with an interactive tooltip. This handy feature offers more detailed data when you move your mouse cursor over a specific area. You have the flexibility to zoom in or out on the map within the dashboard for a more detailed or broader view. Additionally, you can click or hover over an area and use the selection tool to choose specific regions. For instance, by selecting specific region, watch as the dashboard instantly populates with relevant statistics. The bar chart illustrates the distribution of respondents based on their age groups in the survey. The largest proportion of participants fell within the 25 to 49 years old category. By choosing the bar chart representing the age group of 25 to 49 years old, the statistics on the dashboard are dynamically updated to reflect the specific data relevant to that age range. To undo a selection, just click on any blank area within the chart. Explore the dynamic bar graph that highlights the ethnicity distribution in more detail. Next, we're going to look into the undo and redo functions. We'll proceed using our present view for this. The undo button takes you back one step. You can also use keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-Z for Windows or Command-Z for Mac OS. The redo button advances one step. Keyboard shortcuts are Ctrl-Y for Windows or Command+Shift+Z for Mac OS. The full screen option enables you to view the dashboard at its maximum display size. The revert button allows you to clear all filters and return to the dashboard's original view. The replay animation button, equipped with speed filters, enables users to replay and review previously displayed animations. The share button, located at the bottom right corner of the dashboard, lets you easily share the dashboard with others. You have the option to share the current or original view using an embed code, a link, via email, Twitter, and Facebook. The download option lets you export the report and its associated data. Choose the download format that suits your needs. For example, if you want an image, just click on Image and it'll immediately download a screenshot to your device. The Download Image option empowers you to save a visually appealing snapshot of the current graph, with filters. To hide the filters, just give a click to this icon, and they'll disappear from view. These navigation function keys facilitate seamless exploration between dashboards, with the right arrow guiding you to the next one and the left arrow leading you to the previous dashboard. In addition, A smooth transition to the corresponding dashboard can be achieved with a simple click on the headers. The dashboards show similar functionality, creating a consistent user experience. The Hamilton City Dashboard within the Hamilton Wellbeing Survey provides a range of indicators that offer insights into various aspects of the city. These indicators cover a wide range of aspects, including how Hamilton is perceived as a desirable place to live, public opinions about changes in quality of life, the impact of public input on decisions by the Hamilton City Council, changes within the city over the past year, and factors influencing Hamilton's progress or setbacks. The indicators also reflects and measures gauging agreement and disagreement on topics like the city's aesthetics, confidence in the council, changes in quality of life over the last year, and perceptions of safety in the central city during both day and night. The dashboard offers complete interactivity, allowing you to update the dashboard statistics by simply choosing a bar or multiple of bars. The Neighborhood Hamilton Wellbeing Survey dashboard provides a visual representation of various aspects related to neighborhood livability, including what makes a neighborhood great and factors affecting satisfaction. It also visualizes data on community connection, factors that promote community, and challenges in community building. Additionally, the dashboard presents information on proximity to essential services, desired neighborhood services, aspirations for improvement, and perceptions of daytime and nighttime safety through various indicators. The Hamilton Connection dashboard acts as an all-encompassing platform dedicated to the well-being of local communities. Within this dashboard, you'll find visualizations that address several key aspects, such as the accessibility of assistance in daily activities, trends in loneliness and isolation, evaluations of social connectivity, assessments of cultural inclusion and respect in Hamilton. Additionally, it incorporates indicators drawn from surveys that capture people's perceptions regarding barriers in reaching out to others, participation in community networks, recent encounters with prejudice and unfairness, the extent of connection to cultural heritage, and instances of bias and unfair treatment. The Hamilton Housing Wellbeing Dashboard provides visual insights into various facets of housing within the region. It hones in on aspects like how home ownership is perceived, the types of dwellings, the affordability of housing expenses, income adequacy for daily needs, and the employment situation. By applying filters and changing the area to East Area 5 and then clicking Apply, you'll notice related changes throughout the dashboard. As you choose your location, the displayed statistical data becomes tailored to that specific area. Explore the Hamilton Transport Wellbeing Dashboard for an in-depth view of how the public views and uses public transportation. This interactive platform offers insights into various aspects, such as individual sustainability and environmental awareness, the availability of accessible transportation options, the choice of transportation for different purposes, and the modes of transport used over the past month. Within the Health Hamilton Wellbeing Dashboard, you'll find a thorough visual representation of various health-related factors. This dashboard places its emphasis on areas such as regular physical activity engagement, obstacles encountered during recreational physical activities, the number of days involving exercise lasting over 30 minutes, and the state of physical health. Furthermore, it incorporates indicators designed to illustrate mental health and the challenges individuals face when performing specific activities. If you find yourself needing support or have any questions related to the Hamilton Wellbeing Survey dashboards, or our other digital dashboards, don't hesitate to contact us at info@datandashboards.co.nz.